Alright, so I am showing you my Cruising Lightning McQueen diecast that I had gotten 10 years ago. Here it is. Here's his smile. Here's his side. He has white wall tires and he has a paint style that is similar to his Radiator Springs outfit. He has no spoiler, I can say. And, he has those cool eyes. He has that cool smile. And I love his lightning bolt, to be honest. And it looks so amazing. I love this paint job of his. I feel that his paint job is similar to his Radiator Springs look. Like, it's a good nod to this, so I really love this. Yep. Made by Disney and Pixar, made by Mattel. Yeah. So, that is all.